Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we're making tripe curry. The ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description box below. I'm using a 5-quart pot, and I'm going to add 2 quarts of water and the juice of 1 lemon and bring that to a boil. I have 1 pound of scalded tripe, and I'm going to cut that up into bite-sized pieces. Be sure to check for and remove any fat on the tripe before cutting. The cuts look large, but the tripe will shrink when it cooks. Once the pot comes to a boil, add the tripe. Reduce the temperature to a slow simmer for 15 minutes. As the tripe simmers, we're going to prepare the fresh ingredients. Slice half of a large white onion, 2 shallots. We'll need 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. You'll also need half of a teaspoon of ginger juice. 8 cloves of garlic diced, and 1 serrano pepper diced. You can use less of the serrano pepper if you like your food less spicy. It's been 15 minutes, so we're going to strain and rinse the tripe. To rinse, I'm going to take each piece and under running water, I'm just going to rub them really hard and vigorously. Our tripe is clean, and I'm going to wash and use the same 5-quart pot to cook the tripe curry. For now, we'll just put the tripe over into that pot. In a hot skillet, add just enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan. And we're going to stir fry these onions and shallots. Again, that's a half of an onion and 2 shallots that have been sliced up. And now we're going to add in the 2 cups of chopped tomatoes. Add in a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to stir fry until the onions have caramelized. Once the onions have caramelized, cut off the heat, add the garlic in and give it a good stir. And now we're back to our 5-quart pot with the tripe. We're going to add 4 cups of water. Add in the stir-fried vegetables. And this is where we're going to add in this serrano pepper. Just remember that you can always add less if you like your curry to be less spicy. Half of a teaspoon of ginger juice. And now we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of curry powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add just a little salt, and you can add more once it's finished cooking if needed to suit your taste. Alright, let's give that a good stir, bring it up to a boil, then reduce to a slow simmer, And we're going to put a top on the pot, but leave it a little off to the side so that the pot can vent. Allow the tripe to cook for 2 hours and just try to stir it every 30 minutes. Once the tripe curry is done, the tripe will be tender, the vegetables will be cooked down into a delicious gravy and ready to be enjoyed. Let's make a plate. We have some rice and some of our wonderful tripe curry. And we also have some broccoli because we need something green. And that, family, is tripe curry. Thank you so much for watching Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.